Hello everyone, welcome back to quick tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how to fix the application was unable to start correctly. To fix this issue, just click on search button and type control panel. In end of the result, you can able to see the control panel and just click on it. In control panel, click Programs. In Program and Features, click Turn on Windows Features on or off option. Now just click the first option .NET Framework 3.5 and give OK. And click Let's Windows Update download the file for you. Now NetFrame is downloading. Now your record file is downloading. Now just wait a minute to download the required files. Windows completed the request changes and just give restart now. And check whether your problem is solved or not. If your problem is still continuing, now just go to this PC, click on local disk C. In local disk C, go to Windows. On Windows, go to System32 file. And at the end of the screen, just select the x input _3.dll and give delete. And again go to Windows and again click on System Wow 64 and go at the end of the screen and again select x input _3.dll and give delete. And now check whether your problem is solved or not. If it still continue, just open your browser and type download DirectX and at very first click on the first website DirectX from Microsoft. Now download the file. And now the setup file has been downloaded and click open folder. Now double click on the setup file. Now click on the terms and condition. I accept the agreement and give next. Next. Now the setup file is started to installing the component. Now just click on the start button and give restart your PC. Now after trying these methods, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is very useful for you. If you really like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. See you all next video. Bye bye. Take care.